Good afternoon, everybody. March 6th, and this Matrix here doing a quick afternoon recap for you guys. I took one trade on Facebook today, so let's take a look at that. Zooming in on Facebook out the gates, I called this to be on the main watch last night. I bought at 9:50 a.m., 9:50:48, so right about here on this candle. And my average was literally right there, bottom tick that red candle, and my average was 172.20, and then I sold here at 10:01:20, so 10:01:20, so 20 seconds in, and I sold at 173.08, so right about there. Okay, so let's talk about it. I mean, Facebook was on watch last night. If you don't watch my nightly watch list, you are definitely missing out. Okay, because um, I called 4 tickers, including the market, 5 tickers last night, and basically 4 out of 5 worked out pretty awesome. On Facebook last night, I talked about watching the 172 to 172.25 area, right? So I was watching this area. Okay. Um, this was the high of yesterday. As Facebook came up today on the pre-market, it broke through, and at the open, it dipped and ripped, dipped, made a double bottom here. So I took it, and I took it risking a little bit under this 172 area, right? So in the morning when it dipped hard and held yesterday's highs, let me zoom back, held around this yesterday's highs area, that basically gave me confidence to take the trade. Okay. That basically gave me confidence. This is a confirmation number one, confirmation number two, right? So I just took the trade here and rolled it up a little bit. Okay, hold on. Rolled it up a little bit here for about 90 cents gain. I know a lot of people in the room took this trade, including my mentor Trick. I believe he took the trade at around this area. If not, he took the trade around this area. Okay, and he rolled it all the way up. He literally started selling right around this area, and he rolled it all the way up, and he got out flat around here. I also want to mention, give a quick shout out to a new member at Trick Trades here. His name is Aaron. He was having a little bit of trouble yesterday reading the charts, so I had an hour, a couple hours to talk with him and help him go through what he was looking at and what he was reading correctly and incorrectly. And then basically today, this morning, he killed it. He nailed the open. I don't know what he did. I don't know if he shorted or if he bought, but he nailed the open today. So a lot of people in the chat room made well today. What I want to say is Trick Trades, I mean, we help all our members out all the time, and we take the same trades our mentor took. Trick took this, and I missed it. He called it out, right? He didn't say, oh, I'm getting in here. He's like, watch Facebook for the rip here. And then he did tell us he got in after. I watched it for confirmation and a second chance, right? I wanted to take it here. By the time I saw it, it was around this area, and I wasn't really willing to risk about 60 cents on this trade. So I just let it go and rip, right? I was waiting for a pullback to hold the highs here around the 173. As I missed this trade, I was thinking, okay, if it holds 173, then I am gonna long it. But it was pretty extended and it was pulling back, right? So I just waited for the double bottom here, 1, 2, and also yesterday's highs. So that's my trade on Facebook. Another fantastic trade that one of our moderators at Trick Trade took was Roku. He called it out this morning on the daily chart. He says this is a breakout chart. I mean, look at this. Look at this little bull flag breakout here. So he took it long. I'm not sure where he took it. I think he took it right at the break of the pre-market around this area, right? But this was a fantastic chart. This itself is a setup that we teach day in, day out at Trick Trades. So too bad I missed it. I didn't put this on my watch list, but this would have been a great trade as well. I mean, look at this thing. It's a monster. Roku on its way. It's definitely a monster. Also, I want to take a look at some other trades I talked about. HUYA was on my watch list last night. I was talking about how it was a little bit overextended. Watch the 30 area for the profit taking day. And sure enough, profit taking day, right? It never got to 30. So, I mean, taking a look at it right now, obviously this is hindsight, but this stuff candle was huge, right? Once you see this, you could have took it right here at the 29, 15 area and risk a little bit above the stuff candle, or you could have waited for the 29 area to snap or wait for this to clear and then just take it and then risk a little bit above 29 over here, maybe risk over here as well. And basically the stock gave you 2 points all day. I mean, it came as low as 26.75 here. So 2.5 points. Very, very nice pattern. This is one of my key patterns, actually. If you go back to my YouTube channel, one of my very first video, this is actually what I call my edge and one of my go-to setups here on HUYA. Also want to talk about KSS, another one. It's the same exact thing from HUYA, man. I mean, this setup is basically my bread and butter setup, right? I didn't play it today, but look at what it did. I mean, another profit-taking day. I said watch for the 72. So basically, it held 72 a little bit early in the morning, right? And you didn't have to take it right away. I mean, you can just wait. All this chop action, very indecisive, right? A hard pop, a hard pull, a hard pop, a hard pull, and then eventually this big fail right here. This was the kill candle. Okay, 200 SMA daily chart, key psychological whole number of $72. All you had to do was wait for the kill candle to confirm, and then here it is, the first lower high from the top. We have very tight risk here, very defined. I believe this is the 7250 area. Let's mark that off. So a nice round number as well. So once again, going back into my YouTube channel, one of my very first videos, I talked about this setup. It's my bread and butter. And look at it. Look at where it is now. So had you taken it right around here, you are looking at $2 a share. Once again. So my point is, first of all, subscribe to my channel and take a look at all the free content I put out there. Second of all, if you want to know how I make calls like these, how I make these fantastic trades, Trick Trades, man. I mean, that's where it is. Trick taught me all this, and he has become a true mentor to me and changed my trading around. Inside Trick Trades, we have other fantastic moderators. For example, Moses. He also runs a YouTube Spanish channel for the Spanish community as well, and he nailed this. He nailed this Roku trade. Oh my God, this is so pretty. I mean, I can't believe I missed this. He nailed this as well. Everybody in the room is very helpful. Whether you're a moderator or you're a member, we do not let anybody fail in there. All you got to do is reach out and ask. Let's take a look at the SPY. I even called the SPY last night. I called it for, I said mark off the 279.50 and the 278.50. And I was saying I'm looking for a short side. I said look for the short side and watch for the rejection around the 279.50. And I also mentioned that once this bottom support area snaps, we would get another big leg down. And guess what it did? It went all the way down here, tested the lows, 277.50. All right, so massive move. Make sure you check out the video description links to my channel. Uh, there are all the discount and discount links to Trick Trades, as well as his DVDs as well. I mean, if you're looking at this and you're saying it's too pricey, you're not getting the right idea. With my broker, it gives 20-to-1 leverage. Okay, and the risk is very defined. We play these type of charts all day, every day. If you are still thinking this is too expensive, Trick has been playing options, and he has an options DVD that is changing lives as well. And on these liquid names, on like for example the SPY or Facebook, we play options on it. On Amazon, we play options on it, and we don't even need a lot of share size. If you're playing options, about $1,000 will get you a shit ton of money. I mean, we capture these 100% moves all day on the average, right? So that's my point. So basically, that's it. For example, I mean, take a look at Facebook here. Again, had you wrote this up, even on small shares using my broker, 100 shares, let's just say, from 172.20, wrote it for 90 cents or wrote it for $1, that's $100. And it's easy moves. These setups we see every single day. You don't need big share size. Look at this, 173.40 all the way down to the bottom. This is 2 points. Imagine you have 50 shares of this. That's an easy $100. And 50 shares is not even a lot of money, right? It's not even a lot of risk. I mean, if you took 50 shares of this and you are risking right here 20 cents, you're risking $10 for $100. This is a 10-to-1 right here, right here. Okay, so make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, check out the rest of my channel, check out the playlist, the recap, the live trading, and I'll see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. Oh, one more thing. I don't think tonight is actually probably going to be the first night that I will be missing and not making a watch list tonight. I'm a little busy tonight. I have an appointment. Got to go meet up with a friend right now, and I'm a little busy. So for over a year and a half, I haven't missed a watch list. So I don't know. But I think I might miss it tonight. So I'll see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Ciao.